Welcome everyone to the short presentation on passive versus active immunity. What is passive? Receiving preformed antibodies. The body does not produce antibodies, but it receives preformed antibodies from external source. So, immune activation is not required. Since the antibodies are preformed and it is being received by the body, there will be fast protection because of the immediate availability of antibodies. The problem with that is there will be a short-lived protection dependent on half-life of preformed antibodies, maybe from weeks to months. Where can this be helpful? In hepatitis B, IV immunoglobulins can be provided. In varicella zoster, tetanus, as well as botulism, where the body is unable to produce the immune response, maybe they are immunodeficient, then IV immunoglobulins can be given. In addition, rabies immunoglobulin, transplacental IgG transfer, breast milk where the IgA from the mother is being transferred to the baby, and diphtheria antitoxin. All these are helpful, are examples of passive immunity. What about active immunity? Here, the host system actively responds to the antigen exposure. How? It can happen in natural infections where the real life pathogen is being exposed with the immune system learning to respond, produce antibody and produce memory cells with the antigen exposure. There will be a slower onset because the time needed for the immune system activation and antibody production will take from days to weeks. However, the protection will be long lasting because of the immunological memory cells. This can even be achieved with vaccines where there is controlled antigen exposure, creating lasting immunity. With this, we have come to the end of our PPT on active versus passive immunity. All the best for your exams.